today is a very special day, all right? Marika has come all the way from Poland to India to learn yoga. And as part of her yoga learnings, today she said something that really inspired me. I had to get ready, come all the way down to shoot this video, all right? Because right now we are heading to a small calf who's got some kind of ticks in her neck. And last few days I've been hearing it from Marika that she's been really concerned, and she thinks that if we don't take care of the calf, she might lose her life. See how she's scratching herself. So it's a small animal, they cannot speak, but Marika, she noticed that this calf is uneasy, she's in some kind of a pain. Marika took this as a karma yoga, in her hands, because in life what happens, sometimes we see something wrong is happening, we can make a difference, but we just move along. But she saw that this little calf Ravi is in pain and he's been struggling, scratching, and she took this little calf to the vet and we got a medicine. Marika, can you just explain us what all you did so far, and why do you feel so touched, looking at this calf?
They was looking at me like little children, and now when I come closer, I can touch them. They didn't be scared, so it was pure love. They are pure love.
See, this is what we learn. A cow or a calf in India or a cow or a calf in Poland. Alright, it does not make a difference, because when you speak from your heart, the language of love, alright, it knows no borders. Alright, all borders in this world are creation of the human mind. Alright, and when we put the mind at use, what happens? We start to discriminate. Just look at the bond Marika and this little calf share at the moment. Alright, it is beyond all boundaries. Alright, this is the heart center, this is the Anahata Chakra. Alright, this is what we need to learn, all of us, and this is why Marika has been so inspirational. So whatever we practice day in and day out, that becomes an integral part of us. Alright, so if we are using too much mind, and if we start using the mind in the matters of the heart, what happens? We come across more people, more scenarios who are also using their mind exactly the same way. And then life, becomes a kind of a business. Even the matters of the heart, we start looking at them as give and take. All right, what we've learned from Marika today is that consciousness is absolutely pure. Consciousness knows no borders. It does not matter whether the calf is from India or the calf is from Poland. When we talk the language of love, pure love, unconditional love, all right, you see someone in pain, your heart should connect. It does not matter whether the person is rich, poor. It does not matter whether the person is from another country. All right, we are humans. We are the number one life force. Yes, this mind is needed at times, to distinguish, to, sustain our identity, to live this materialistic life. But that mind is just a small aspect of our living, our heart. This entire universe is giving us unconditionally. And our dharma, our duty should be to connect ourselves with nature. All right, give back to nature, connect with every life form, every life being without any discrimination. And that's what the goal is, Keep living your life every single day with consciousness and awareness. And as we do that, as we become keen observers of our own actions, what happens? We observe everything around us without any discrimination. We observe everything around us exactly the way it is. All right, and that's what makes us stronger from deep within. All right, have a good one.